Hi. Hi, everyone. So, this is the demo which I prepared for uploading a job description into a vector database called as Quadrant. So here I just created a flow, which is the first block, which is saying data chunking the document based on or splitting a particular type of document. And it is fetching a document from this particular folder, which I have. Okay, I can put multiple files. I've just put a 3 document, which is having a 3 different job description. One is for software lead engineer and software test engineer, and another one is for junior software developer. So these 3 descriptions, I'm uploading it. And this is going into the vector database, which is named as Quadrant. This is a cloud vector database. Also, I'm utilizing a Azure OpenAI embedding model, which is a header 3002, and then I'm utilizing a GPT-4 model to convert that particular information. And I'm creating a convolutional ether chain, which can help me to query on this. Now I am uploading it inside the vector database. So here, there is a search vector database command. As soon as I will apply it, it's performing this all for the request. And it is processing the OR, it is updating the vector database till it is uploading. Let's see. You can see that it has added 8 votes, which is first from the junior software developer till the last vector, which we have defined for a specific amount, this test engineer. So these are the vector which is being created by my program, and it is uploaded inside the vector database available in the cloud contract. So as of now, I have utilized based on the number of words. Okay, I can create some semantic meanings to it that it should segment specific paragraphs, which is defining some content or some context from that specific paragraph that it is based on me, how I can configure the chunking. It is up to me. Or I can conclude based on the result here. This is a second demo, which I am utilizing it. It is a genetic approach you may have heard about. There is a buzzword in the market, in the RAG sector, that is genetic process automation. So I have utilized that technique to create a chat application that will perform. So let me just explain you what it is doing. I have utilized Azure, this chat model, which is the GPT-4. Then I have used a supervisor, which is nothing but an agent, or you can say the agent orchestrator. I have defined a 3-worker. Basically, each worker is designed to perform a specific task. Okay, and this responsibility is given to supervisor. Supervisor will see which worker to execute. So this is the first worker, which is a block, which will actually create a blog post for a website. Okay, then another worker, which I have, it will create a Facebook message, which I have to type. Then another one is the Twitter worker, which will create a Twitter kind of messages, which I have posted inside the Twitter. So I am just running this application. I'm just putting a 1 query over here. So I have put create a Twitter post for a job description of a senior software engineer. Okay. Then it will go to Azure OpenAI. Then it will go to supervisor. Supervisor. Identify the text. Then create a Twitter post for announcing a job opening for a senior software engineer, including key details such as a job requirement, company culture, and outlook. Like, okay, so this information myself, what do I that is intelligent enough to identify the intent from this particular user from and define or constructive or a specific message which user wants and then assign it to another worker, which is a Twitter worker. And it has created a Twitter post for me. I can just simply copy it and post it in my Twitter account. We are hiring joint tech team with the senior software. Bring your expertise in order with you. So all these job posting jargons have been utilized. Also, the Twitter has given us tags as well so that we can put it up inside the Twitter. And so this is just one example. I can show you another example where I am utilizing a blog post, where I am just writing it up, create a blog post for an latest AI technologies. Okay, so it will create a complete blog, which I can put it into any of the blog website. It is went to the supervisor, create a blog post for discussing the latest advancement in technologies in the field of artificial intelligence. Now it is creating a blog for a specific, so it will have a huge data is be required. A blog may have a complete details, advantages, disadvantages, and the workflow, how it is working, and completely details will be displayed away. If can see that it has given me a sections for a blog, I required title for the navigation to the year, and it has given some description and then a 7 importance. That worker is responsive to performing next task, and it will give you the output. So I can create n number of workers based on the need. Either I have to put a Twitter or any of the condition which I have to put it there, and it will be based on the user requirement. Do you give me the outcome here? I'm just creating. So same one which we have mobilized for generating, we have uploaded a document. I am just creating this thing. So let me just open it up. So, okay, already here, I have utilized a channel software engineer job description. It is just a very layman language I have specified. There is a spelling mistakes and everything is there, but it has successfully created whatever the job description required for this software engineer. It is based on the document which I have uploaded, not the one it is utilizing. Then, the 3 document which we have uploaded inside the vector database it has created. Based on those document, we can fine-tune all these items. Yeah, this is just for the demo purposes. Okay, so you can see that the document which I have uploaded, it is being chunked into this thing, and it is being uploaded. So I can see few queries. Let's see if I go here, and I can search for any of the items which will be available inside my vector. So let me search for it. So the query document, which we have uploaded, it has created a content, and for the metadata, for the scene. And it has the document, and we have user 1536, and the vectors 1. And so it has performed the actions that I had shown, this 3 PDF file, which we have uploaded. So I have uploaded 3. This 3 document 1 is the first lead engineer document, which is having the essential secondary professional qualification, desired experience, and software skills. And this chatbot is utilizing these information and generating a job description based on the user query. So this is just a 1 vector job description which we have uploaded. So that is it for our demo. We utilized chunking embedding classification as well as RAG and OpenAI.